The video is Carrot Candy World, and today I'm doing another winter clear video, and I'm just going through these presents here that I've been having since Christmas, and then going through Henry's book collection and getting rid of some of his books, so I'll take you through that. And he's got an unsigned book. It's really sweet. By Philip Reeve. So there are all the presents that my little boy received of Christmas. He didn't open, and I showed you he got this signed book. It says, "To Henry, with love and space trains, Philip Reeve," and that's the author of the book. And my mum, it's from my mum who met the author. So. That's a really nice gift. Thank you for that. And he also got some drawing books to try and get him to draw. He got this England fleece. And this t-shirt, and this book that I got from him from Poundland, which is called The Troublesome Tiger, because we're going to try and encourage him to read because he loves his books. And I got that to pack up to all these new books that I'm going to be buying. I'll be doing a book haul this week, and put all these new books in there on the floor so he can help himself to his books. He wants to read them, so I'm going to do that now. So that bag's empty, and I'm going to sort out his books. So here's all his he's got quite a few books, you see up there, which it's a bit too childish for him now, so I'll be getting rid of those, probably donate them. I'm going through that collection now. I'll be keeping a few of them, not all of them, so I'm going to get on with that now. So there's his books that I'm going to be getting rid of. So we getting rid of those, and then he's got some more books up here. But I'm going to probably get rid of that one. But I'm going to keep these books. He likes that one and that one. That's been torn, so that can go. It's a sweet little book though, but he's took the pages out of that one, so that can go. And then we've got these books that I haven't read yet, so we'll be reading those, and that one as well. These books that he's still got that was a read, and a puzzle book as well, which I'm going to get him to do at some point. But and there's a couple more books up there, and they're really good pop-up books. I'm going to keep those. Probably keep that one, and keep that one as well. I'm going to continue on and show you the end result. Got rid of some more books. There's a pile, and cleaned that shelf now. I'm going to give it a wipe over. And so I'm going to organise these shelves. I've got conkers in here to stop spiders. I know some people don't believe in that, but I do, so that's why I've got the. And so that's that shelf cleared. And that's that done. So I've cleared that, and so I've just got to clear this, and then that's that done. So that's some more I want to clear up. I'll be doing some more. I'll be tidying some more of Henry's chest of drawers, but as for now, that will do for them to clear up videos, and then it'll be on to spring clean-ups, which I plan to do as of next month. So, and this will go up by the end of this month, which is February. So see you then. Take care, and give me a good thumbs up if you like the video, and subscribe if you'd like to see more. Until then, take care, and I'll see you soon. Bye.